So I did 25 minutes on the Gazelle. I got 196 calories burnt off according to it. Built up a nice sweat. Whew. And actually, at the beginning of it, when I first got on it, I was behind pace because first just warming the muscles up. And usually an average pace is about 7.5 calories a minute, and I was doing about 6 calories a minute for the first couple minutes. In the middle there, I got it up to 9.5 calories a minute for quite a while. And then when I did some change up there, which slowed down my the quote calorie count, but actually worked my body harder. And that was when I was leaning forward on it and pushing it. It really works the upper arms here and stuff, leaning forward on it. It's like doing sort of like push-ups, only one-handed, because basically you're pushing with this hand here, and then you're pushing with that hand there. And then the other one when I was leaning way back and pulling, and because you really got to pull to get the legs to lift up that high on it, doing it. So, oh, I'm a little lightheaded there for a second. Felt like I was working a little bit harder there on doing that thing, so it didn't change the calorie count, but I know I was putting out more effort during that time, working the upper body harder, and the gluteus maximus back here, working that. But probably by the end of the month, I'll be able to do like a full minute of the leaning forward and 2 minutes leaning backwards, if not more. And I may be able to do it like 10 minutes in, do a minute leaning forward, and then 20 minutes in, do another minute leaning forward. That's what I was able to do last year when I got up to doing that. I expect by the end of the month I will be hitting 300 calories per session. So I'll be hitting 35 minutes per session by then. And yeah, so I already feel in the not quite 2 weeks, in the 12 days here, I can feel a big difference from when I started out to what I'm doing now. And if I'd been able to keep things up going, since November, instead of spending all my time out in the shop working out there, I probably would have been going a lot better right now. All right. So as always, folks, pay attention. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. If it's supposed to be a blizzard, stay happy, because our blizzard watch, we're supposed to get 1 to 8 inches of snow. We got 1 inch. But the snow was really dry, so it blew it away. So I'm very happy about that. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, like trying to walk out in a blizzard to do your exercises outdoors. Do them indoors when the weather's really bad. Keep adding to your preps. Water is your #1 lacking point for everybody. Food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, whether it's how to do sourdough bread, how to do pastry, how to do leather working, whatever it is. Learn a new skill every month, all right? And of course, I will see you around in the next video and get extra prepped for this winter.